morning, it's another video from me, and gloves are off, snoods off. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning and it's already 8 degrees Celsius. It's absolutely bonkers for this time of year. So thanks for joining us again. On this ride I'm going to be taking a trip to the Humber Bridge and most likely the Paddocks tea rooms again as well. Now, since I've had the GoPro, I've not been to the Humber Bridge, so I'm going to hopefully get some, well not hopefully, I am going to get some footage as I go across the bridge, and then across the Ancombe Valley to the Paddocks tea rooms once again in Humber.
Actually doing a spot of dog sitting this weekend over in Immingham, so looking after a Chihuahua and a pug, George and Ethel. So yeah, a bit of a different start point today, and you can see here I'm crossing over the bridge which links South Killingholme to North Killingholme. Well, as you can probably tell, I'm having to lay on some audio post-ride. Unfortunately, well, what happened was my new handlebar mount arrived from a GoPro, and when I was pointing the camera and having a conversation during the ride, it wasn't picking up what I was saying. So I'm laying it on now just so you can understand a little bit more about what's going on.
Abbey. Never been inside. It's probably a lot better when it's spring and summer. Certainly busy anyway. Glorious day it is again. Well, as you can see, I'm just stopped underneath the Humber Bridge, and I was just about to go on the other side, but as per usual, the east footpath is closed. Don't know why. They often close it for no good reason. It's not even windy. Well, certainly not gale force wind or anything dangerous to most people, but there's plenty of people about still enjoying themselves. Lovely sunshine. So regular viewers might recognise something different to the way I'm filming today, and that's because I've gone and replaced and bought a new handlebar mount. This one's made of aluminium, so it should be a lot better than the old plastic one which snapped. It seems to be a lot more stable, less fragile than the previous one. So I'm just about to go across the bridge again, and I've taken my camera off my mount, so I'm holding it in my hand, so I can get some good footage as I go across. Let's go. So get a close up on that boat over there.
So with the Humber Bridge out of the way, it was time to move on, and I'm just turning into Hawkstow Road here. You can see Hawkstow Bridge over in the distance there. Making my way to Paddock's Tea Rooms in North Lincolnshire. That's where I'll be stopping next. So I decided to go a little bit different way into Ardborough this time, and went down Philby Lane through Colby. Well, I just left the Paddock's Tea Rooms in Ardborough, where I enjoyed a pot of tea, cheese and tomato toasty, and a nice slice of lemon cake as well. So I'm just heading up West Halton Hill here, and there's a couple people walking towards me in the down the left end of the road while I was struggling to climb up it. Now, at this point, I was trying to explain what was going on in the distance there. That was the Ancombe Valley. Just had the Hawkstow Bridge to climb up first. After that, I was going to be taking on Saxby Hill, the Saxby Hill climb. It's one of the climbs on the Ancombe Valley I've yet to do, so I was really looking forward to that.
Little hill climb. Whew. Back home now, a few hours later. Here I am dog sitting. George is the chihuahua here, and the little pug, that's Ethel. And I think they both miss me. Well, especially this one. What are you doing? So very excited to see me. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you've enjoyed watching. If you've enjoyed it a lot, perhaps give it the thumbs up and consider subscribing as well. There's lots more great content coming up over the next few weeks. You finished licking me? Hey, hey, hey. Right, catch you later.